welcome back to the channel. My name is Emil, and the channel we talk about cryptocurrency or what I'm doing to make passive income. So it's been a couple weeks since I've been on the channel. Sorry, man, I've been super busy with work. Somewhat, it's been busy, but even though I am not as busy with the estate, man, there's tons of work to do at home. I bought storage last week with my girls. And you guys, if you don't know me or if you've been following the channel, I do lots of different things to make passive income, whether it's mining cryptocurrency or finding a storage on the side to flip items in that storage with my kids. We do it as just as a hobby for fun, which is really cool. It's the same thing as mining, but we're searching for gold in storage. We're mining that storage finder's fee. But yeah, dude, it's been really good. It's been a blessing. Really enjoying everything that we do. If there's one thing I've been trying to teach you guys is you have to find different streams of revenue. Crypto mining has turned into a hobby for me. It started with one miner, and it just kind of turned into different, more and more and more. And now I have this arsenal of like different crypto miners. Although like Caspa is not doing great at all, it's making like I think 5 cents a day at the moment. Where Helium Mobile is making $1 to $2 a day. So there is some plus and some negative in the crypto mining world, but so far I have turned out to do very well with the projects I picked, whether it being Helium Mobile, Hive Mapper, Demo, WeatherXM. We have this one that I'm going to be talking about, SolarX, which is a new project that a lot of us had doubts, and some of us still have doubts in regards to if this project is going to be legit or not. So this is my personal insight and what I personally think and how I feel and what's to come. So I hope you guys enjoy it. But without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing video. Stay tuned.
All right, so you're going to see me opening up the box. It came packed really well. That's why I'm having some time difficulty opening the box, but once I do, you'll see clearly it's packed pretty well with styrofoam. And the first thing we see right here is going to be the solar panel, which is cool. It came in one piece, thank God, and it's charging at 20 watts, which is not too bad, for charging the battery. I haven't opened it up and did a real review on the battery that's inside, but there are other YouTubers that did do a video if you want to check them out. I could drop a couple links down below, but as my own experience, this came packed very well. Solar panels legit, lots of styrofoam. This thing is super heavy. That's because there is a battery, and it didn't sound like it was moving once I took it out, which is great. But all in all, I really enjoyed the presentation, how it came.
All right, guys, so I have it connected right now. Check it out. It's pretty simple. Just connect it to the back of this. They said to do it in the day, in the morning, put this outside so you have the right amount of sunlight. But I was reading the manual. It comes already pre-charged. And I just want to get this up and running, so let's see how it goes. Let's go ahead and turn that on. SolarX. That's dope. So you gotta log into the hotspot on your phone, and then there's going to be a private key that you get on the website when you sign up and create a SolarX account, and then that's crucial to registering your device online. All right, so as you saw in the video, it came pretty packed well. There are some others that received it. It wasn't in the best condition. I saw a video where someone's LCD screen was pushed in, and he put some glue and so it could stay there. I do see a couple posts with Smokelim having issues where he has 3 dead miners claiming that he's going to get his lawyers involved, where SolarX owes him $2,100. I don't know anything about that, or I don't represent anything of that. What I'm putting or stating in this video is my personal experience with SolarX and how I enjoy it. So far, it's been good. The beginning to be honest, it was kind of intimidating because they weren't really informative as far as letting us know when shipping was going to happen, and they kept on pushing it off every other week, and it just got annoying to a lot of people, and some of us just didn't take it that well. So what I see happening right now, because you can see my current balance is $40.78, and when I first started this, like when I first ordered this, I put exactly the amount of money it was to order one of these SolarX devices. So it was $740, right? So I purchased SolarX on the BNB network, and then I transferred it over here to my account. And at that time, there was issues with ordering it, and I couldn't order it. And then SolarX went on a cool mini bull run. And the next day when I was looking at my account was like, it wasn't 740, I think it was like $1,100. And I was like, no way. I was almost at 1,300, and then it dropped, like when what goes up goes down. So that happened, but during the time of it dropping, I was able to purchase a miner. I still had like $160, or it was worth $160 of Solar X at that time, which I thought was really cool. So since then, it's been dropping a lot. As you guys see, the market in general, crypto is not doing as well. Bitcoin has gone down. Right now, it's going back up, which is good. Right now, we expect September to be blood in the streets, as they call it. It's bloody September, and then it starts to pick up like crazy at the end of the year. So Bitcoin itself, zoomed in. Let's see. Let's look at the month. In general, I mean, for the month we've been going down. We're in this little red patch, and I'm no chart reader. I don't know anything. For the year, it looks like we're just consolidating like we have been, and hopefully we have a spike up, and we'll see. But for the all, you can see right here, no one can predict Bitcoin. Imagine Bitcoin just goes all the way down right here to 26K. Then again, what would you do? I would definitely throw some money in this thing. Just with Bitcoin and the ETFs and everything that's happening, and Ethereum and XRP following right behind. These are cryptocurrencies you want to just think of and start dollar cost averaging into, because they're not going anywhere. And Bitcoin, I know it seems like a lot of money right now, but in 10, 20, maybe 30 years from now, Bitcoin is probably going to be worth 5 times what it is right now, only because it's already accepted as a currency, and it's already going to be enrolled in the ETF, or already has been. So those are things you need to look at and just understand. Right now, we're going through this phase where people don't know where to invest their money in. It's going to get regulated by the end of this year, or it is already in the process of it. And hopefully by the middle of next year, it's all said and done. And by 2025, we have it all set. We'll have our new president. Who knows who it's going to be? All this stuff is going to happen. But in the midst of all this, you need to know that Bitcoin is not going anywhere. So it's probably wise for you to dollar cost average into this, regardless of what it's going to be. I mean, for anything under 100,000, because yet for me, I'm looking at 20 years for my girls. Because if I invest $20 every month for the next 20 years into Bitcoin, that could turn into $100,000 to $200,000, in my personal opinion. I don't know how much it'll be. I mean, what if Bitcoin hits $1 million? That's what is that? 20 times your money. And if that happens, let's say in 5 years from now, by 2030, that's 20 times 12. That's 240 times. I won't be no crazy. No, that wouldn't happen. That's not realistic. But maybe I'll make like 10,000. Who knows? But it's probably wise to invest some money into it. But back to the whole SolarX ramp. Personally, the beginning stages kind of sucked. I didn't really like it because of the whole shipping status and the information, all that stuff. I actually got kicked out of the Discord because I said something that they didn't like, and they banned me. And then I got back into the Telegram and told them something. The owner, or I forget his name, he said something. Hey, if you say something disrespectful in Discord, they'll kick you out. Which honestly, I get it, but dude, they didn't even try to work with me. So like at the beginning, feelings for SolarX and me personally, I don't like it. As far as the mining and how the miner works, I do like it. The actual miner itself, as you saw in the setup, the solar panel works, but it only charges 1.93 watts. It's currently mining right now, but I have that plugged into my wall unit because I noticed that the battery won't fully charge. Maybe it's because I don't have the solar panel getting sunlight directly every day, but I live in Arizona, so I'm pretty sure it gets a good amount of sunlight when it does. So I don't know what happened there, but for now, I just have it connected directly on um what do you call it, on the wall. And as you guys can see, let's go ahead and claim it. The claiming system is pretty simple. You just get rewards, boom, it turns it, boom, done. I already claimed 1,600, which is equivalent to almost what I have right now, which is 1,800. So it's about, give or take, 38 bucks. But I've been converting a lot of my Solar X into XRP on the BNB chain, only because I on long term, I think this project has something to good. Uh as far as the team and what's happening with Smoke Limb situation, I think that they should address it and solve it fast, because he has a good following, even though he made that video with him making a lot of money and claiming that he used a lot of the rewards from SolarX to purchase it. I don't know. All that whole video was kind of misleading, and I understand why they probably don't want to work with him. But the whole point is they should fix it. That's a lot of money that he's out of, and he needs that needs to be fixed. I would be pissed if that were to be me. And regardless if that video he made was misinforming to people or not, they shouldn't use that as an excuse not to help him. Personally, as you guys saw, I just earned 0.14 Solar X. The device works good. I'm checking to see if there's anyone having other issues as far as a battery over being charged, because we're dealing with the battery, and that's kind of scary. That's the only thing that worries me. So we are the first kind of guinea pigs in this whole phase of mining with SolarX. But in order for anything to get regulated, for the power source to get connected here in the United States, there's a certain amount of what do you call it, tests they need to perform. So I'm pretty sure it's safe in that level. But as me as a consumer, I'm always worried about that, especially everything I've experienced. But it works well. It mines great. It mines fast. The only reason why it's not as great as of a daily earner, like how much we make, is because everyone is selling their coins. Everyone's selling, and that's my personal opinion. And that's because of the situation that happened. See, it was at 12 cents started. Well, let's see where it started. Yeah, it started at 12 cents, and ever since then it's been dropping. Now we're at 2 cents. That's because I believe everyone that got their miners having the same feeling as me. They're like, oh, I don't know about this project. They're not really doing anything to make us feel good. And then now Smokelim's doing all this information about suing them. So yada, yada, yada. We don't know. So everyone's earning their rewards and selling them. That's my personal opinion. I don't know if that's true. Drop a comment down below if that's what you're doing, or if you think that's what they're doing. But honestly, for the project itself, SolarX is pretty I like it. I mean, let's see what happens, man. The marketing's there. The website looks great. We have a lot of people that are on YouTube that are influenced, like mine in the mining influence area, that have a couple of these. If it wasn't for Smokeland and his situation, I think this would do a little bit better and people would trust the project. But like, if this is like probably a new one that they're coming up with, they want to get involved with gaming. I wonder what all this is. They have huge mindset and goals, and I look forward to see what they do. Yeah, definitely look forward to that. But on a plus side, guys, there is another project I want to bring to your attention. It's called Watch X. It's like an iPhone watch, Apple Watch, Samsung Watch, same thing, guys. You guys want to get one before it runs out. And I do have a couple discount codes. If you guys are interested in that, definitely link up with me. I'm going to be running a little campaign here, because I will be getting a watch for them to give away to you guys. So if you guys have been following the channel, you guys already know I've been waiting for this day. It happened a lot sooner. I purchased a couple, and they gift me one to give to you guys. So I'll be doing an unboxing and diving deep into Watch X and how I think this is a good project, and we're early. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. And you guys, there's only 10,000 NFTs. I don't know how much they have left. I could check with the team, but I would jump on it right now. I only have a few codes to get 20% off if you are interested. That's something we definitely can do. But I definitely want to do a little campaign for those codes, something to just have more engagement on my YouTube, and then also give it to you guys too, because I know it's something I want to do to help you guys out. Um, the watches are only $189. You get an NFT. There's going to be some cool benefits that come with the watch. For instance, 40,000 tokens are going to be shared within 10,000 of us. So I think that's what, 400 each of the watch X tokens, if that's split it equally, or maybe it goes by who buys it first, you get a larger portion of it. You get a watch, actual watch, which is super sick. It's solar paneled. It charges through the sun. It's made out of titanium. It's slick. Has all the benefits and features of the iPhone. Comes with multiple airdrops. It also mines, and it comes with different airdrops. Like, I don't know what this is. Token airdrop Fukuburua. I don't know. I'm sorry for slandering that, but but what I'm seeing is you're getting an airdrop from them and more airdrops from multiple tokens, which is crazy. This is on the ILTeX network, which they're planning to go live on Solana, which a lot of DPM projects are on Solana. I'll be diving deep on the white paper or light paper for them on the unboxing video, and really going into this project. I really think that it's a good first time miner if you guys want to get into something like mining for the first time. For me, it was my first one was Hive Mapper, but prior to that, it was the Helium device, and I spent like I think it was like I went half with my friend. It was like $240, and no, actually it was more. It was $300 because it was a Bobcat. I think it was $600 at the time. But either way, that was my first one, and ever since then, I kind of been just buying them as we go. Like I have one right here, or to actually in the other room. It's a little device for fry energy. It basically monitors the energy usage that power outlet uses, and I get paid fry coins, and I convert that to Algorand. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty lucrative. Stay tuned. This video probably for not. I'll probably do a dive deep into Watch X in a couple days since I have some time here at home. And then I'll be doing an unboxing video when they ship them. I think it's going to be September 20th. So by the end of this month, look for an unboxing video and then information about the giveaway. So stay tuned.